Perfect day to maximize your profit in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty today. Hope you have also made a good amount of money, as today's market has taken care of both buyers and sellers, and double benefit for scalpers. Though Nifty and Bank Nifty looks very weak, but let us analyze all the details before making a conclusion. Hey guys, welcome to another video from Vega Stocks. In this video, as usual, we will analyze today's price action of Bank Nifty and we'll try to predict for tomorrow. But before we start, a disclaimer: this video is only for educational purposes and we do not provide any recommendation or tips. If you are new, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's analyze today's price action first. The movement given by Bank Nifty as well as Nifty was directional, and hence I am sure this expiry day has given good profit to all of you. Normally on expiry day we don't see this type of movement, so a lot to learn from today's video, hence do watch till the end. If you remember, I said yesterday that if price gives a gap down opening and opening is below 34,934, then you should definitely buy put. And I also said not to trade in the first 1 or 2 hours. Well, this is just to remind you and not to take any credit. Let's try to understand the psychology behind this. Whenever there is a gap down or a gap up opening, normally this is how market should perform. So if you see yesterday's trend, it was a bearish, and due to gap down the trend continues. I repeat, if you see yesterday's trend, which was bearish, and today due to gap down opening, the same bearish trend continued. The initial 4 to 5 candles suggest that all the sellers who made profit overnight were booking profit, and buyers were not interested due to gap down opening. So fresh sellers were waiting for the price to come closer to 34,934 levels, but price could not even touch 34,900. Hence, you can understand the weakness. 6th 15-minute candle clearly shows rejection from upper levels, hence sellers jumped into the trade. But you should wait for the confirmation candle, and the next candle was a confirmation. So you could have entered this trade and could have captured around 200 points. Then again look at this candle. This also shows a rejection from upper level or from this trend line, and the next candle was a confirmation to enter into the trade. If not, then second candle to the left was an inside candle which you could have recognized and initiated a trade. In this trade, our passion level was tested. Price retested 34,784 and then gave a perfect breakdown. In this trade, you could have simply used pyramiding strategy to maximize your profit, and you could have captured another 200 points to the downside. And this trade was so fast that everyone could have doubled or tripled their profit in a short span of time. Well, for buyers also, market gave two opportunities. First, in the first 1 hour of trade, where due to premium shrinkage their profit would be less, but the second trade at around 2:30 was more than enough to make double or triple the profit. If you are new, then please do not enter into these type of trades because it's too risky. But experienced campaigner would have definitely enjoyed the rally because the premium was very low and return was double to triple. Hope you got to know more about price action and behavior of buyers and sellers. Now let's move to our next section. Tomorrow is a fresh week and Nifty looks more weaker than Bank Nifty, though both of them are actually weak. Nifty has already given a breakout from its channel, but Bank Nifty is somehow holding its channel bottom. My advice will be to take rest tomorrow and simply watch the market. If you see any trade setup, then only trade or else leave it. Allow Bank Nifty for a day and let's see in what range Bank Nifty is trading. I feel that now it's time for Bank Nifty to pull Nifty in achieving their respective all-time high. Remember, it is not going to happen immediately, but you might see Nifty trading sideways and Bank Nifty giving up move. Well, this is my personal thought as per my experience. And if you have been following my video, and remember, I am expecting either a bigger up rally or down rally in this coming week. And I had also said Indian market or global market remains bullish in the month of June. So let's see how market performs in remaining 2 weeks. Now let's try to see how market will perform tomorrow. If price opens flat and goes up, you should buy call only after this swing is crossed, and this swing is 34,784. But if price goes below 34,500, you should definitely buy put, and remember the movement to the downside will be very fast because next support level is at 34,135. If there is a gap up opening, follow the same rule, wait for some time. If price sustains above 34,784, buy call, and if it crosses this level, avoid, because then we can expect a sideways market, because for last 2 days there was a trending market. If price opens above today's closing price, then wait for the price to come closer to this closing price of 34,605. If it doesn't breaks, then you can buy call. If there is a huge gap down, you can buy put, and the price action might be similar like today's. If the gap down opening is above 34,416, then buy put only if the price is retracing from today's closing price or is below 34,500 levels. Hope I have covered everything. If missed, do let me know in the comment box and I'll definitely get back to you. Points to remember: it is a clear-cut indication that Indian market is in downtrend. You are also aware that both Nifty and Bank Nifty was not in a sync, and now Nifty looks weaker than Bank Nifty. So I'm assuming that both the indices are in sync. If not, then we can see further downfall. As you can see the chart, from 34,416 levels, Bank Nifty price has retraced in the past. So we may expect a reversal. If not, then down rally will continue. Hope you like this video. Please appreciate my effort by subscribing and sharing this video to your friends, families and colleagues. Thank you for your support. Keep learning and happy trading.